All right, let's start. Now, sorry, in this class, we'll be talking about something called Terraform modules. So, we have seen this similar concept, in multiple tools. So, we'll be using the same idea here, except in Terraform tool. That's it. So, let's say we have used in the same concept, similar concept in Kubernetes using Helm or in Ansible using roles as well as Terraform modules. What are the common thing between these things? Is the common thing here is it allows us to organize and reuse our code. So what is the use of role in Ansible? So it will have a directory structure where each and every task, whatever the component will have individual directories, individual components. So we can able to work on that. We can able to check that. We can able to work on that so that the role can be reused. The role can be reusable. That's the idea. So, but similar way here also in Ansible, in Terraform, modules will be used for the same purpose, except that it's for creating the infrastructure. That's it. So you create a module with a directory structure, and once it is created, what happens? We'll be having call the module and use it. That's it. So you create a module with a specific directory structure so that you can able to work on that, so that you can able to use it, reuse it. How to reuse it? Same thing, just like how we use it. We create a module and we pass the values to the module based on our requirement. Maybe let's say based on our environment or based on our project. Let's say so like this. So it can be, the module can be differentiated, can be multiple by multiple things. Let's say let me show you how the module structure looks like. Let's say module name maybe test module. This is a directory. Inside that main.tf, vars.tf, variables.tf, maybe outputs as an example. Okay, maybe these are enough. So like this is one module, and inside that, sorry, on top of this test module there will be another main.tf. So by using this root, by using this we call the module and we pass whatever the values variables we want to pass. This is a deep general structure how it looks like. So we can use this based on our use cases. Let's say test module, sorry, maybe based on environment. Let's say dev. Within the dev we have main.tf, vars.tf, outputs.tf. Same thing, let's say prod we have. So like this, based on environment also we can able to decide. We can able to define. There is one more way to define. Based on services what you create. Let's say EC2 service, S3 service. Like this service level also you can able to define. So any of the structure you can able to use. So it depends on your use case. So whatever you want to use, you can use it. No worries. There is no issue. All you have to do is write, define a structure like this, create directories and everything, created the content, whatever the code inside it, and of course, what you do, you call the module. You call the module by root. As I told you, there will be a main.tf. So which we call it root Terraform configuration. We'll be calling the module, whatever the details will be passing that. Let's say I'm creating a bucket, I'll pass the bucket name maybe just instead of hard coding it. That's what. That's what I'll do. So we'll create both. Don't worry. We'll create EC2 and we'll create both things. Let's try maybe this one, an easier one to understand. Let's close all these things. Sorry, let's maybe create a folder first. Go to TF, maybe my module, la, 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 la. Hmm, EC2 module. For EC2 I'm creating a module. Inside that what I should have? So I should have my, where is it, main.tf, dev.tf, variables.tf, not dev, outputs.tf, these three things. Cut it, paste it. So this is my EC2 module, where I'll be creating EC2. And you'll have some other module called S3 module, where you can create S3 like this. Like this you can able to create n number of things. As I told you, there is no limitation. So now I have my code already. It's the same code which you're seeing here. Let me just, the same code only, except that we kept this within the module structure so that we can able to use it. Now what we do, we create one main.tf where here, so that we can call the module. Let's create a main.tf. So in main.tf, what we have to do, we have to define the provider first. Provider value high AWS. We have provider.tf separately, so it should be fine. No issues for us. Now we have to define a section called module. What is the module? EC2, maybe instance. In my case, sorry, EC2. Sorry. Now you have to define the source first thing. What is the source is where your module is. You can give the path wherever the module is. So I'm just giving my directory EC2. What is the module? EC2 module, I believe. So if I give like this, means it's in the current path. So EC2 module. Now you can pass whatever the values you want to this module. Let's go here. What variable is expecting? Variables. One with. So it's expecting, okay, it's not expecting the AMI, but yeah, because it's a default, it's expecting instance EC2 type. So what you do, instead of writing dev.vars, now we define here t2.micro. Now what the variables are expecting? Key demo, that I have to give key demo 1 2 3. Next, count. Okay, I don't need it. Tag. Okay, tag. Let's give the tag. Tag module is a 2 something. So like this you can able to pass all the values, and of course what you do, simply close it. That's it. So the file would be main.tf, which should be outside the module. Let's save it. Now what happened is we have a main.tf. Where is it? Is here, where we are calling this module. In this module we have a what is that, our code to create the infrastructure. We have instead of writing single yeah, Terraform files like that, we have differentiating them as a module so that we can able to reuse them. Now let's say I want to create one more EC2 instance. Simply what I do, maybe here I simply update the main.tf, right? Maybe t nano or something, some AMI something or something. Simple, I can call it. So I don't need to bother about it at all. Correct? So as I told you, there are multiple ways to define a module like this, either through envs or through service level, or just simple module. Currently we are seeing simple module. Let's see if this works or not. If there are any errors. First, obviously Terraform init, there is some issue, so I have to use this one /. If it is a current path, I have to use /, otherwise Terraform does not take it. Let's see. See, that's the issue. Terraform validate, obviously it will be correct because we're just reusing the same code. Yes, now Terraform, what happens? Let's see. It's whatever it's there, it's showing to you. So it's creating a subnet. Whatever inside the main.tf, inside the module, these are all there. So it will be doing all these things. See, instance prod, instance demo something, two instances it is creating, and what is it? One S3 bucket it is creating, one security group it's creating, one subnet. If I do apply, it will work. What happens if I do apply? This apply will read this file main.tf. Obviously, when you execute some Terraform command, to look for the main.tf. So now here we have main.tf. In main.tf, what we told, hey, call this module. So it will read the main.tf. Okay, this is the module is there. It will go there and it will create. That's what Terraform plan also did for us. And if you see the variables whatever we have passed, let's say, where is it, the server demo 123 t2 micro ami is taken from default. Obviously we gave like that, but yeah. See, create module. Obviously if I do Terraform apply, it will create. I mean, I don't know, I have to destroy again. That's okay, let's destroy what is there. Let's create. Obviously yes, it will ask. Yes. So it's creating whatever the things it told. Let it finish. Obviously you can see here it will be created. I mean, where is it? Let's go to S3 first. S3 bucket obviously will be created. The bucket, see, it's created. And where is the easy2? Of course you may ask, hey, why this is Terraform something. My bucket name should be whatever it is, stress agile something, right? No, we did not give a bucket name. We gave a resource name. Where is it? See, here we just gave a resource name, not a bucket name. See, that's why it took the default bucket name, whatever it is, random. That's why. For easy2 we gave names. Let's see that whether it will work or not. It will be created too. See, you got it. Of course you may ask why only one, the tag is only applied for one, because the tag we are using referring only for one. For instance, see, this instance we are not defining any tag. That's the reason. So all you have to do is how to write here. That's it. You got what I'm saying? Now of course I'll be destroying y2. I'll be destroying this, delete. That's how user module. Very simple. I mean, so whatever you write, you'll be writing in a directory structure. That's it. So that's the only thing. So you'll be writing based on your directory structure. Got what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So what I can do is, as I told you, let's see how to differentiate this based on environments. So code won't change. I mean, I don't write a new code for everything like that. Simply, what I do? I'll define a variable called env, and based on the env, I'll pass the variables in the main.tf. So it will take it. Let's see how those malware. Yeah, let's let it destroy. Yeah, it will take some time usually. Yeah, sorry, finally done. Now let's say mine already there. I don't change anything over there. The first thing I'll do is, based on the environment, how can I change? Simply, what I do? I go to variable. I'll simply just define one variable thing. So it will be like, just simple. Let's define env. Maybe description. Okay, env like dev, qa, prod, etc. Something. Default. Sorry, type. I forgot. type string default. I don't want to give anything, let's leave it. That's fine. Now I defined a variable. Now how to create based on resource, based on the environment. What do you mean how to create is, see, for a dev environment I want to have, like, create the EC2 two instances on I want to create based on, maybe the labels are different, maybe the AMI is different. For prod it's different. You know how to do that? Simply here in the root module. So we have some section called, let's remove this, sorry, let's remove this for now. So we have some section called locals. Let's keep it here, yeah, locals. So in locals we'll be defining based on the env is equal to var dot env. So based on the environment I'll be passing, and how it will take that we'll see, don't worry. Now let's say I'll define some settings, maybe instance settings, maybe dev. If it is dev, AMI is equal to AMI blah 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 something. I mean it's wrong obviously, but yeah, AMI is equal to like this. Instance type maybe T2 nano, T2 dot nano, got it, like this. Now I'll close it. If it is QA, maybe AMI I found blah 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 what, some random. I'm just giving some random values. Instance type T2 dot micro, like this I'll give. You know what happens here? Sorry, let me close it. Yeah, instance settings is closed. Locals also has to be closed. So this is the locals block to define envs, and this we have to use in our modules. Now of course, what is the first thing to define? Source blah 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 ec2 underscore module, it seems. Next, let's say AMI I want to pass. Of course I want to pass based on the environment, right? You know what I do? I'll refer these things now. Local dot instance settings, this is what I gave here. Instance settings dot based on the environment, local dot env dot AMI. So now what happens, here, based on the environment it will take it. Not just this, let's say maybe instance type also we get defined, right? EC2 type, this is the variable which we are using there. Local dot instance settings blah blah local dot env blah 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 dot, what is that, instance type. Like this I can able to pass it. Same thing. Now what happens here? Based on the variable, sorry, based on the envs we defined here, and we are referring that in a module. So let's simply, try it. Terraform validate first, obviously you have to do it. AMI is not expected here, there is something wrong. So env is required but no definition found. See, there are so many things wrong. Let's figure out where is this. Okay, env I have to pass here. First thing is I have to pass env here. Env is equal to local dot env. Now one error will be gone. Obviously I have to refer the environment, right? Otherwise how can it work? So my bad. Let's see. AMI is not expected here first. An argument AMI is not. Why the hell it's not expected here? In main.tf line 18. AMI is not expected here because the variable is wrong. Let's see the variable. What is it? AMI underscore ID. My bad. So yeah, I have to refer correctly like this. Let's try. Let's try. Let's try. There is only one error where env input variable with env has not been declared. Oh wait, what is the variable I defined? Ah, variable env. Okay, type string. Did I save it? Yes, I saved it. Let's env is equal to where is it? Oh wait. Yeah, this is should be correct. Env is equal to where dot, here we are referring to that our environment. Okay, this all good. And this env we are referring here, maybe let's change the name env I, maybe here env I. Let's validate again. Same. What? Wait. Env I local dot env. Let's try. I mean, why the hell it is not working? I'm referring it wrong somewhere. Let's wait. So we have defined a variable called environment. Got it? Defaults env, sorry, let's say here env we have defined. Let's keep it environment just to differentiate the names. I mean, I don't want to confuse. So where dot env, here we are referring here. So in the locals we have defined that, I mean we are referring that. So env is equal to where dot blah blah blah, whatever it is. Now I am trying to refer that. Sorry, here I have to give environment local dot env. I forgot this is has to be the variable name, right? That's why. Let's try. It will work now. The hell is the input variable with name in has been declared. The variable declared with the variable environment. Is it correct, right? Huh? Let's keep default. Maybe just for example dev. Let's keep it like this. And let's try. There is something wrong. We have variable variable. Is it correct? Variable. Yes, obviously it's correct. Environment type string default. Okay. Now main.tf env is where.env. This is what we defined the variable. Okay. And now local.env. This is correct, obviously. Then why the hell it is not working? Where I missed it? Where? Let's define environment. Let's say like this. Let's try. A local variable with the local.env. Where the hell I'm using the env, man? Shit. Sorry, my bad here. Now hopefully it should work. Hopefully. That's the issue. Okay, come on. Awesome. We have defined the file is not working. An input variable with the name environment has not been declared. Of course, I declare this variable can be declared within a variable with the variable env environment block. Obviously, that's what I did. Is this inside? Yeah, this is inside. It's a module variable. Obviously, it has to be correct. Environment. Okay, blah blah blah. Type string, description, whatever it is. All good. Then what? Oh, sorry, not this. Why the hell? This is the where I missed it. Am I okay? Instance time, blah blah blah, QA, blah blah blah. These are all fine. Module. I'm calling this module EZ-module. Okay, so local dot in settings, local dot env. Okay, this is fine. What then? Where is the wrong here? It says a variable not defined. Where the hell did I miss anything? Environment. Okay, that spelling is correct. I'm just double checking. That's it. These are all good. These are all fine. Then where the hell I missed it? Main.tf line 2 in locals. Env where.env. This is not taking. Environment. Spelling, let's. Yeah, same thing. Spelling is correct. Wait. Why the hell it is coming like this? This we have to we have to create a new variable here. Let me do it. Let me just simply do it. Let me tell you. Let's try now. It should work. See, my mistake actually. What's happening here is, let me tell you. See, we are differentiating based on the modules. Sorry, based on the envs. Okay, all good. So here this we define the local block based on the envs. We are having the values, and here we are referring them local dot instance settings, local dot env based on the env. But here we are doing where dot env. I mean, we have two environments, right? Two envs. Dev QA. When we are running, which env to take? That we did not define anywhere, right? So we have to, for that which environment to take, we have to define a variable. Here we have to pass the value, or while running the Terraform applying also, it's fine. So that's what it is expecting from them. So here, see, for your module you are passing a variables, okay, but for your main.tf, for your root where you are calling the module, how the hell locals, how it gets where dot environment? This where dot means not from variables inside the module. No, this is not. It is from within the file. You have to define a variable like this. Now obviously it will work. Terraform value, it worked, right? Terraform plan, let's try. See, obviously 5 to create, it will work. That's normal. That's how we create it. The AMIs are wrong, obviously I have to change it a little bit. The correct AMIs are in wars.tf. So I'll use the same thing. Maybe I'll save like this and I'll pass it here. Now let's try again. I'm passing dev, right? Dev env as a dev. It means it should create E2 nano instance for me. Let's see. Where is this instance? Go up, go up, go up, go up, go up, go up, go up. T2 micro. This is. Wait, is this T2 nano? Yeah, dev. Default dev I'm passing. Okay, all good. Now it should take T2 micro then. Let's. Oh wait, forget about prod. Go to test. See, this is the one. Of course, demo server is the one which we configured correctly. Prod we imported earlier. Let's change that. This is the prod instance. Obviously, see, we give the values like this. Let's not do this. Let's copy it from here because we imported it. If you remember earlier, we imported it, and the bucket name also gives something. bucket blah blah blah, some random I'm just giving. Okay, don't worry, but at least we wanted to give like that. Now these two instances work based on the environment. Earlier it is hard coded values, that's why it doesn't know what to do. Let's see, it should work. Blah blah blah, where is it? Blah 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 blah, blah. Instances t2 nano. See the prod instance also t2 nano, because now we are referring to the variables instead of hard coding directly. Like this you can able to pass the values. Of course I'm not applying now obviously, but yeah, you got it right. If you see plan correctly, then it will apply automatically. So no worries with that, because now I can't be creating again. So blah blah blah, all these things. Got it? So that's about,
Yeah.
module, sorry. So is it clear so far?
Not on.
Yeah, you have to practice.
Yeah.
Got it? So
Yeah.
tomorrow class will be at morning again, 7 a.m. Okay. So let's connect tomorrow.
Okay. Okay.
What is tomorrow? Friday, right?
Yeah. Friday.
Okay. So Friday at 7 a.m. class will be there. So try to join without miss.
Okay.
You got the message? I just messaged. You got it?
No. No.
Let me just send again. Now.
Yeah. No.
Yeah. So tomorrow we'll see one more topic from Terraform. So practice and do let me know if any doubts with the modules. Okay. We'll be using modules. Even we are using modules on regular basis. So it's common.
Okay.
Yeah. All right then. Bye. Maybe just something. Why to use some random thing. Yeah. That's it. Sorry. Now yeah. Let's meet tomorrow. Same time. I mean not same time. Morning. Until then. Have a nice day. Bye. Bye all.
Bye.
Bye, Anna.